Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? So let me just show you how I transformed this beautiful client to this gorgeous princess that you're seeing on your screen. So guys, I started off by cleaning her face of any impurities that there might be. I'm just doing this with wipes, and then I quickly cleaned out her eyebrows, curve, not barb. Okay, so first of all, this day it was such a struggle because the lightning was bad. I was filming on natural light, and you guys, it started to rain. But now the show must go on. But you see the struggle that I faced because we just started here and the lighting was still a bit better. I was just filming with natural light, no light of any kind at all. Okay, so I quickly moved in with moisturizing her lip here after I have cleaned out her eyebrows, and then I moved in with the serum to hydrate her skin. This part is not optional at all, as it is very compulsory. So for hydration, I'm using this serum from Blossom Cosmetic. It's a snail mucin serum. I'll leave all the products I use in the description box so that you can actually check them out. But I am very huge on hydration when I'm doing my makeup, right? Very huge on it. I don't care the skin type. Please moisturize, hydrate, whatever you can do to infuse hydration to the skin. Please, there's nothing like overdoing it, especially the under eye. Make sure that place is really hydrated. Next off, I moved in with my Aqua Grip Cosmetic Primer. This primer, guys, I told you guys, it has come to stay. All right, I'm going to use this all over her face, and of course avoiding the under eye. You do not want to prime your under eye. You want that place to be as hydrated as possible. I went in with these two foundation, House of Tara and V Beauty. You guys, this was when the light started to do nonsense with me because tell me why this is looking like this foundation is light on her. Meanwhile, it is not. So I just went in with my blush, of course, and add warmth, and I went in with my concealer, brightened her under eyes. You guys, this day was such a very huge struggle because before I knew what was happening, you guys, it started to pour, like rain started. First of all, I wasn't filming with any light at all, so I was just in front of my natural light, just my phone and the natural light. So I went in with, of course, highlighting the under eyes and ensuring that the under eye is bright. This is something that I like to do. I love me some bright under eyes. This changes the makeup game for me. I love it both on myself, both on clients. This particular part is something that you do not joke with because you need a lot of light in this area. This is somehow like what defines the outcome of my entire makeup. Like that under eye, it has to be bright, please. So I went in with the powder all over her face, to set the foundation that I used before. Yeah, look at that, really clean, really soft. And then I went into again set the under eyes, more brightness, not like I want to turn her into a clown anyways, but to just add enough light under her eyes. You guys, you need it to have that lifted look, that vibrant, soft, sweet look. You need to ensure that the under eye is a little bit bright. Let me just put it that way. And now this is where the drama said they decided to look at herself to feel really good. Then I moved into doing her eyebrows. You guys, at this point she was already looking really beautiful, and went in to do the eyebrows together and started to feel hot a bit, but trust the product that I use now, they did not shift at all. Notice I said I wasn't there was no light this day, so there was no fan, no AC, no nothing, but you guys, I was doing this makeup and everything was, still intact. That's why I always tell you, when you want to pick your products, ensure that you know what you're doing, right? Do not just pick anything in the market. Just go for what works for your skin type and all of that. So yeah, I went in, did the other side of the eyebrows, and you guys, just ensure. So when I'm doing my client's makeup, I ensure to make sure that the eyebrow is actually very perfect, unlike when I do my own personal makeup. Yeah, so that's why you see me, I took my time a little bit on this eyebrows, and this was when the weather started to change a lot. As you can see, it's a lot blurry here. The weather was doing me shaky that day, but I say, you know what, this my channel is a very realistic place. I'm going to be showing you guys a realistic day for me as a struggling makeup artist, struggling with light, struggling with weather, struggling with everything in actuality on this day. But I say, what, the show must go on. No, we have come this far not to go back. Hey, we can't go back. Oh, it's already too late. So yeah, I went and then I did my eyebrows. See, at this point it looked like we were in the night, meanwhile we were not. This was daytime. Then the rain stopped a little bit, and then of course the lights came in again, and I said, let's just be doing. However the video comes out, I will show you guys, so that you guys know that some days are actually like that. So I moved in real quick with my House of Tara blush palette as my eyeshadow. You heard me. Yeah, so I used my Ash of Tara blush palette as my eyeshadow in this particular makeup look, and you guys, it ate and left no crumbs as always. So I'm going to do this video again, probably on myself, showing you how I actually used that my palette to achieve a very flawless, eyeshadow application. So one thing I like about the products that I used are very versatile. For example, you see the way that I used my lip palette as my blush, my cream blush. Now I'm using my blush, my dry blush, as my eyeshadow. So yeah, that's just about it. So yeah, for me, I play with my products a lot. It's not like I do not have eyeshadow of this exact color, but I like sometimes something that's really soft. At this point she got too relaxed and started to feel sleepy because my hands are actually healing hands, you guys. Most of my customers mostly fall asleep when I'm doing their makeup, right? Is that a good thing? Of course it's a good thing. Makeup is therapy, right? So yeah, she got tired, not like tired of me, but like really comfortable. Let me say that actually. So I added more depth to the eyeshadow, you guys. But this girl, I sabi walk. Oh, so please, if you have not given me a thumbs up in this video, biko do fast though, give me thumbs up in this video because I deserve it. Abi, don't you think so? Give me a like, do subscribe to my channel, comment below what you like about this makeup so far. Okay, comment below. At this point she picked the mirror, and you guys, she was just looking at herself, and I was like, don't worry, you're gonna like it, you're gonna like yourself, right? So yeah, I went in to do the other part of the eyes. I'm not going to lie to you guys, this day I loved this makeup. Like it was everything and more. This light, I told you guys, is poor, so it's not even doing justice to this art that I did here, right? But I say, don't worry, tomorrow is another day, we shall do another one. But even without the light doing justice to this video here, you guys, it was still very beautiful. So I say, why not I bring it to you guys? So I went into line her under eyes with my Tehila. Yes, that's what I used here. So guys, yeah, of course she went in with the mirror, and look at her doing that, that acceptance kind of smile. Like, I like it, this is good. That kind of smile that just shows you that, oh wow, this is awesome. So I went in, I fixed her eyelashes, right? And here is me just ensuring that she's very comfortable, that there's nothing poking her anywhere. Pressed it together with her natural lashes so that it looks put together. And she was like, okay, I'm good. do the other side. So I did the other side, allowed her look up, look down to ensure that there's no poke here and there. This is very important, right? So I went in to do her lip. Okay, so notice she has like really natural pink lip. So I said I'm just going to try to replicate this her natural look. So I went in with the brown color on this Eye Magic palette. This is actually the lip palette that I used for my blush earlier. So yeah, so this product, this particular lip palette, I will recommend it to anybody who is, you know, starting their makeup journey, either personally or professionally. You need this palette. It's really pocket friendly and, you know, very versatile in usage. And there's so much to talk about this particular palette because it's been saving lives. I kid you not. So I went in with the pink color on this palette, and you know, just to replicate her natural lip color. Yeah, that's why I went in huge with this pink here, as you can see. Oh god, oh god. I sabi this work. Oh, let me not even lie. I know my onions when it comes to makeup. I am called for this. Comment below if you agree with me. So this is just me, you know, putting everything together, ensuring that, you know, we have a very beautiful outcome, you guys. Sorry, my voice, I don't know what's going on. All right, so yeah, that's just about it for the lip. Okay, look at now, give me my flowers. I mean, is it the garden now, the entire forest? Which one are you giving me in this particular video? I kid you know, this video is not doing justice to this particular makeup because hey god, it was everything. So I went ahead to sort of lighten it a bit because I don't want it too pinkish. Yeah, just, you know, to just reduce the pinkiness a little bit. Yeah, so that's just about it. I think I'm done here with this lip. So this is a dose of gorgeousness that I said let me bring to you because screen. This my channel, like I said earlier, is very realistic, although the lighting was poor. But look at that. The lady was feeling herself at this point. She was like, girl, you know what you're doing, you know your work. I went in with gloss. Anyway, very important. Gloss is a must for me. Although I usually will ask my client, do you want me to gloss your lip? And if they say yes, I'll be so happy. If they say no, I'll be like, oh, okay, nice. She went again, looking at herself. You know, when clients do this, know that they are feeling themselves. They're feeling themselves. Look at that. And then she smiled. She was like, hi guys. Of course, I did not allow her to say that hi guys. Yeah, this is the part where I actually spray the face. I will tell you guys on my channel, I do not spray my face, but when it comes to my clients, I do. So this is here me using Soap Pro to go over her face, to spray her entire face, blocking her eyes. Yeah, that's how I do it. What's the reason? No reason, just to ensure that it doesn't get into her eyes or something, right? So I just went in with my powder puff to sort of reduce whatever greasiness I am seeing as a result of the setting spray that I just used now, you know, to just sort of reduce it right there. So guys, I have come to the end of this makeup post, so please do give me a thumbs up, comment below, subscribe if you have not, share this video to the whole world because look at this gorgeousness. Okay, so yes, we have come to the end. Look at this lady, she's looking so beautiful. Again, this makeup, this video, the lighting was bad, it wasn't even doing justice. So comment below, tell me what you like most about this particular look. For me, I love the eyebrows a lot, and I love the fact that she's so happy, she's so smiling. So guys, I will see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much. All right, thank you guys for watching. See you later in another video. Bye.